Okay, take your hat off, please. You can't hear me, he's got to connect the audio. Good morning to you. Can you put your hat, please? What's your name, sir?
Derek Gibson. Good morning.
Gibson. You said Derek Gibson, right?
Yes.
Do you have registration for this vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Are you ready, Miss Finch?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I'm asking court reporter. Are you ready, Miss Finch? I guess not.
I'm ready, Judge. I'm sorry.
No problem. All right, let's get going. This is the City of Detroit versus Derek Samuel Gibson, case number SP 136-07861. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gibson. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Yes, Derek Samuel Gibson.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Gibson, can you show me that ID, that registration, valid registration, please? Okay. All right, very well. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid registration. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gibson, you have a very good day.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Very well, thank you. All right, who else do we have on here? Justin Bryan, you can speak with him, Mr. Wally, in a breakout room. His is going to be a delayed sentence, $240 fine for being in the park after dark. And we'll dismiss the other case. He has an absolute right to a trial. You can let him know that.
Okay. Happy to. Hey, Woody, if we get eventually to Guild Yard, let me talk to him, okay?
Okay. I'll get him in there next. What about Sergio Garibaldi?
Yes, I have a question. I wanted to see my court date was today or the 30th.
Yeah, you're gonna have yours is not reduced for that one ticket. Let me see what the other ticket is for. And we have Mr. Lanes here. We gotta get you an offer. All right, you have a no ops ticket and a you have a no ops ticket and a open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Your deal is going to be pleading to the passenger. They don't reduce that, so you can either go to trial and see if you can do better, and it's going to be $240. It's going to be a misdemeanor on your license, and it's going to be an alcohol related offense on your license and 2 points. And we'll dismiss
2 points.
And 2 points, yeah, that's the bad thing about that. It's the same as if you were the driver. Speak to him in the breakout room, speak to him in a breakout room as well, Mr. Derry. So
This
he's
is
got
Mr.
3 cases.
Gilroy.
This is Gonzalez, Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez. He's got 3 cases. He's got a open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, which I already told him what the penalty for that will be. Yeah, he has a no ops ticket and a limited access 1 to 5. Those are 2 state matters. If he pleads to the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, we'll dismiss the other 2. He has an absolute right to a trial. Give him a trial date.
Okay,
All right. All right.
room 3.
Yes.
And good morning, Your Honor. City Prosecutor Rosenthal's here. I can be placed in any breakout rooms you may need, and I would like to speak with the House Counsel just on some offers, Your Honor. Thank you.
And then we have Lane here. He's ready for trial. We just have Officer Grills here. I'm gonna put him in the breakout room with you. Who are you here for, officer? Good morning, Ms. Lawrence. Good morning, Ms. Lawrence.
Good morning.
I just received your email as well.
Okay.
That's the insurance.
Yes. And the second one is the title to my car.
Did you take a defensive driving course?
Yes, I did. I sent you that also.
The title is not, well, you really need the registration, but they'll deal with that. If you got insurance, I'm sure the city attorney is accepted. I have Ms. Lawrence here. She has sent me insurance and valid and a title, albeit not registration, but, and then you said, Ms. Lawrence, you took the class as well?
Yes, I did.
And where did you send me that from, the same email address?
Yes, I think so. Yes.
I believe I have that. Yes, I do have all 3 of those.
And my permit too.
Well, I'm gonna look that up.
Okay.
So I got all 3. I got some documents from Ms. Lawrence. She's got quite a few cases, but she's done some work. All right, let's see who we have.
Ready on Mr. Gonzalez, Your Honor.
All right, let's go on the record. Let's go, this is the city of Detroit versus Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez and the state of Michigan versus Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez. Case number SP 1190298, SX 4100969, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
So Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez.
Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez requires I'm sorry, Your Honor. We waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. And go ahead with what does he want to do?
A bench trial, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes.
All right, we're going to give you a trial date of March the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
All right. Sounds good.
There's nothing further. Be safe out there. Have a great day.
All right. All right. Have a great day.
All right. All right. As soon as Mr. Rosenthal, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling, and Mr. Walling is out now.
I'm on now, Your Honor. Is my client on now?
It's Justin G. I'll pull him out.
Okay, thank you. We're gonna need a date, Mr. G there.
Need a new date?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Justin Bryan Buckton Gross Jr. Case number SP 136-2440, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Gross. State your name, sir.
Justin Gross Jr.
Your Honor, I had a nice conversation with Mr. Gross. At this time, he wishes to continuing his not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial via Zoom.
Very well. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gross?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you two come back on March the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. and we'll settle the matter on that date, all right?
March 3rd at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. All right, now let's do this. Let's put you in a breakout room with Mr. Rosenthal, both of the House councils. Join that breakout room with Mr. Rosenthal. He's going to get the offer. I do have Deontay Lane here. He's scheduled for trial. And I have Pauletta Lawrence here scheduled for trial. We need an offer for Gilliard and Gavan, Carlos Gavan, who just stepped in. All right. Mr. Rosenthal, can you join that room, please? Oh, let me get Mr. Rosenthal in there.
Did you get assigned a room? Because I was sitting there alone.
Yeah, he's gonna be in there. I just text him here to come in there.
Okay. What do you figure out who you want to deal with? I just wanted to talk to Mr. Gilliard.
All right.
And we'll decide in the room there.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, this is an old case here. This is all right. This is Mr. Gavan, Carlos Lamont Gavan. Where is he?
Yes, I'm trying to cut the volume up.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Lamont Gavan, case number 05192771. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Gavon. I see this is an 05 case.
Yes.
Mr. Gavon, state your name, please.
Carlos Gavan.
Dan.
Sorry about that. All right. Today is a date time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Judge, I'd waive any kind of formal reading at this time, and for arraignment purposes, stand mute. I do have a motion to dismiss due to the age of this ticket.
Okay, I'm gonna deny that motion as well, you know, the city attorney is gonna wanna, they're gonna deny it, so I'm gonna grant their motion to deny it. I'm just gonna set a trial date for the matter and see where it goes. Are you in, you don't live in the state of Michigan anymore, sir?
No.
All right, come back home, especially on March the 3rd, 2023.
March.
March the 3rd, 2023 for a trial. I'm gonna set a $500 personal bond. March the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
March 23rd at 9 a.m.
March the 3rd, March the 3rd.
And this ticket is almost 20 years old.
Yeah, well, you should have dealt with it 20 years ago.
Is it a rush, Your Honor?
I know he is. Now he wants everybody to rush for him. Come back March the 3rd, sir.
Okay.
9 a.m.
All right.
What happened to Rosenthal? Never did get back in that breakout room. You want to
That's my knowledge.
Justin G. What's Justin G. still doing here?
I have no idea.
Oh, I'm good to go.
Yeah, you coming back March the 3rd, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, you're free to leave.
You didn't tell me what time, sir.
At 9 a.m. I'm sorry.
This is Carlos.
Yeah, 9 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in a breakout room, Mr. Walling. He's got a number of other cases here.
Are we talking about Mr. Gilliard?
Yes.
So he has tickets greater than what's on the docket?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got a few civil infractions that are in default. I'll be willing to set 2 of them aside, the no proof of insurance and the no expired plates. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you can join the room. He's you're in the room there. Go ahead and join. I got Mr. Rosenthal. You want to speak with the lawyers?
If I could in the breakout room, you're on a private desk, I was checking on you guys. But yeah, then I can give them kind of some of the offers. I know we do have some trials with some lengthy people. We do have one officer that I had spoken to. But yeah, if you don't mind, I can Mr. Ball and Mr. Barrier one, whatever. Thank you, Honor. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy
You got
Friday.
everything you need?
Yeah, I got to talk to you. I'll be taking a half day, but
We should be.
yeah.
Mr. Gilliard was willing to set us a recent, here's Officer Johnson, right? The top 2 defaults, the other ones will stay.
What you want to have right there, you know?
Yeah, we've got to teach disorderly conduct and then whatever else you want to teach. Walling's going to speak.
I mean, I did blockading probably, and that would, you know, obviously you're up with
All right. And then Jenkins is here, Officer Jenkins is here.
Okay,
You want them all in the breakout room with the lawyers, or you want the lawyers separate?
I'd like the lawyers separate, but I'll go in with the lawyers first, because we only have Officer Jenkins and Borsch right now.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Whatever's most convenient for the court.
I'm about to put you in a breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm putting you in 4, you can wait on, Mr. Rosenthal, 4. I'll put you in 1, good morning to you. Carlos Gavan, I don't know what he's still doing. You're free to leave, you come back, March the 3rd, sir.
Oh, I don't know how to cut it off. Sorry.
I'll cut it off for you. Have a great day, sir.
You too, man.
Your Honor, if I may, these, these old Z tickets, I don't see in the file, but I do think they are state. I'm not too
Z
worried about them.
ticket, it should be like a parking ticket or something.
It is, and I think it
Yeah,
is,
we
but
won't discuss those.
no, okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Unless it's a Z, unless it's a drunk driving.
No,
ticket.
no, these are parking, meter infraction, Your Honor.
All right, Yvette Little is here. Good morning, Miss Little. So Yvette Little, Lawrence, and Lane all showed up. Trial.
Very good.
So what's gonna happen here, starting at 9 o'clock, I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. So if they don't show up by 9:30, there's Officer Richardson there. So I'm gonna put him in a breakout room. I don't know who he's here for. I can find that out. Richardson. He's not here for, it doesn't seem like any of the people that have showed. Richardson's here for Goodman, and Goodman's not here yet. Mr. Gozak. Gozik, Mr. Gozik.
Yes, how are you? I'm Officer Gozik, 8th Precinct from the Detroit Police Department.
Okay, very well. Let me put you in a breakout room. But you can wait on the lawyer, the city attorney. He's right in my court now. I'll put you in a breakout room, give you a chance to speak with him. And you're here for who? You're here for Grant. So still, y'all, the ones that have showed up are winning. Let's see who Belcher is here for. Yeah. All right. Little, Belcher's here for Little.
Hi, good morning. I was trying to check in.
Yeah, how you doing? What's your last name, please?
Lee.
Lee?
Yes, I was writing in the group chat, but I don't know if you had, well, not the group chat, but the chat for in here.
Good morning to you.
Thank you. Good morning to you too.
All right, just sit tight. We're gonna get you an offer and get you to speak with a lawyer. Good morning to you. All right. Belcher, I think is that's officer. Chris needs to, what is? Can you put that sign up on the, can you put one of those signs up top to connect the audio?
You have to make it close.
No?
Okay.
What's in the chat?
No, I'm gonna email this up. So.
I must be too, you giving me order. I must be too
I know you
lenient
capable.
over here. I tell you to put the sign up, you tell me how to do it.
Because
Hello?
you like.
Hello?
I don't even.
Is this officer, Doug, I swear.
Christopher,
Christopher, yeah, what's Christopher? I take it there, officer. Who?
Christopher Lewis.
Lewis. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Once they put it up, they can put it up.
Everything you want me down, because everything you was on. Okay, let me do what I'm told. I got it. I don't think you be one, that's why I don't know, you know, never
Yo,
see
I
me do
wanna
one.
know,
Okay, you know, I'll never
Christopher
buy
Lewis.
Yes, sir.
And Antonio? That's your middle name?
I'm Arthur.
Arthur, let's see. Well, you should have been Antonio today. But it's a whole lot of stuff. And you're sitting behind the wheel of a car?
Yeah.
And do you have a valid driver's license?
I ain't driving. I'm just sitting in the car. I'm on my break.
Whose car is it?
It's my mom's car.
I won't ask any more questions. He's not driving. The car just miraculously got there. Got to put him at work. It just deemed him to work. He didn't have to drive. That's one of those new cars.
No, I'm at home. I do home care.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I thought that was one of those self-driving cars.
Oh no. Nobody got that type of money.
Good morning to you. Putting you in the breakout room with
Okay.
Is that Officer Belcher?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You're gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on the city attorney to discuss the cases here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Let me know when you're ready to share this with me.
I put you both.
Want me to go right now?
No, you don't have to now. He already connected.
Let me know when you need me.
Thank you.
And then, Your Honor, if I may,
go back into the, with the officers, right?
That, Your Honor, but I was wondering, if there's any way I can just know who we have. Is everybody that we have in the main room right now, Your Honor?
Right now, we have Little,
Yes.
we have Lawrence,
Yep.
we have Lane.
Yep.
And then for offers, we have Jay Lee. We have Mr. Christopher Lawrence.
Christopher Lawrence.
And then we have, you already gave the offer for, I'm gonna put Mr. Walling in there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah, I just wanted to check to see, but that's we should be in good shape. Thank you. Christopher Lawrence.
Arthur Lawrence, not Antonio.
What page are they on, Your Honor, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, I don't see Christopher Lawrence. Let's see why he's here today.
Absolutely, Your Honor. I'll go in with my officers, and then you said we're having a 9:30 cutoff. Thank you, Your Honor.
Christopher, he's on here, 8:35, Christopher Arthur Lawrence, but he's on the bottom. Oh, yes, he is, down at the bottom of the page. All right. Very well.
On the trial. Good. Sheriff's Perkins, go on, Mr. Johnson. Can I help you with this on the record? I'm sorry. Is it for just Perkins? I don't know what happened. It could have been a error that needs to be corrected. It could be something like that. I don't know. What's the case name?
It's Christopher.
Jade, do you have something for Jade Lee, Mr. Do you have an offer for Jade Lee?
You could have came, but she might like, you know, if it was something like that, and we rescheduled her. These people have so many tickets, thousands to my process. It's hard for me to remember. That's why we come to court to try to resolve it.
Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have an offer for Jade Lee?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we need an offer for her. Let's see.
She probably failed to appear because she did. And she was scheduled on December 18th, 2021.
Maybe Jade Lee is gonna be, she has this failure to yield to emergency response.
Like, I
Deal.
mean, if you don't have recollection.
Did
of
you
it,
have a
it's
trial
okay.
date set at one point, Ms. Lee?
His name is Matthew Rosenthal.
I don't believe so. I believe all my court dates were with you.
Yeah, but you were supposed to show up for trial, I think, on some of this stuff, and you never did.
I never remember having a trial date.
All right, let's see.
On the last conversation we had when we was in court, you said that you was putting everything on one court date, and it was for today.
City attorney. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Did you do some kind of class or something? Let's see what we have in here.
Yeah, you had me take the I think it was a driver defense class, and once I got towards the end, it started freezing up and saying error and stuff.
So you didn't complete it?
No, but I was at the end.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that, Miss Lee.
Yeah, me either, because I had said something about it the last time, and I don't know. But I did everything else. I got my insurance and stuff.
You have a license?
I couldn't do it. Remember, I told you this the last time. I couldn't go forward with anything because they still had a hold on it for the tickets. And I guess that's what made you guys put all the tickets on one court date. I got my insurance and stuff, though.
You have another officer that showed up, Mr. Rosenthal, I just put in the room.
Thank you, Your Honor. What was the officer, or I'll go check, Your Honor.
His officer is S. Taylor.
Taylor, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting to see who we have, Your Honor, on some of the officers, just to make offers for the trial.
I have these 3 files here. If you want to come get them and you can have the file with you before you make the offer. Who's
Absolutely.
Munoza?
Thank you.
761.
Yes,
What's your name, please?
Angel Munoz.
Angel Munoz, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see. I don't know. You're in the right courtroom. Let's look it up. Munoza.
Yep.
And Angel Angel.
Yes.
You have a hyphenated last name?
No.
So Munoza.
No, not the A. The A is my first initial.
Oh. Are you any relation to Gaston Munoz?
No.
All right, and what brings you here?
They said I was subpoenaed for traffic court.
What's your middle name?
I don't have one.
So Munoz and Angel.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see anything in your name down here. Are you sure you're in the right courthouse?
So let me see.
Angel Munoz.
This was for a ticket that I wrote in like 2021.
Oh, you're an officer?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Sorry.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Rosenthal, you got another officer. Who's the defendant's name?
The defendant's name was Grant.
Okay. Join the room. He's waiting on you in there.
Okay.
there is. It's in- Okay, I don't know how to proceed with, Lee. Lee, it seems like you just keep getting tickets.
Jade?
Yes. She was supposed to take the class and for some reason she got locked out of the class. And, well, I guess she hasn't had any more tickets since she's been here the last time.
Okay.
So she doesn't have a valid driver's license. And she doesn't take the class. I don't know what else I can do.
Do we know if she paid for the class?
No, she just indicated that I believe that she's trying to take the class, but she just indicated that she got locked out toward the end. And she indicated that.
And Your Honor, did we have any retained counsel?
No retained counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Alright. I don't see what's preventing you from getting a license. Did they tell you, Ms. Lee? Did they keep the case number on what's preventing you from getting a license?
Yes, they did. They did provide me with the paper, but I don't have the paper on me. It was a ticket number, and she said that everything had went through except for that one ticket number. When I went down to the 36th district to the window, she said it was just that one ticket number. I don't have a ticket number on with me at the time.
But probably there's no proof of insurance. I mean, I can let her pay the reinstatement fee up front. I think it's already been paid. Clearance printed.
Yeah, because when I went down there, I had paid for the I'm not sure what I paid for. She just told me I had to pay. And
When did you go? When's the last time you?
this was last year around when the Secretary of State.
When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State?
I just went to the Secretary of State like Monday. I had got insurance.
And you don't have your paperwork, so they can't really do anything to help you without any paperwork.
For my insurance?
No, for what they need, for what the ticket that's preventing you from getting a license.
What paperwork do I need?
You said that they told you a ticket that pulled you up and you have paperwork for it.
Oh yeah, that's they had printed me out. I'm looking for the paper now. I'm sorry. They had printed me out the ticket number. That was a while back. I had provided the last court date for you, if I'm not mistaken. But that's the last time I had went down there and they printed it out.
I'll give her more time to. Just because, I mean.
It's a lot. She said she's been fine. It sounds like she said she got insurance, but she needs to get a driver's license.
She had like Taylor, we have a lot of.
Yeah, why don't you, well, that failure response ticket, why don't we set a trial date on this? And then that'll give you more time to get a license and get your documentation together.
I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, so when I went down there, so if I go down there again, because every time I go down there, they send us this one ticket and I have to wait to the court date. So now that I went to this court date, and that ticket is still appearing and they send the same thing, how do I go about it?
Well, you need to go about getting the ticket. You need to get the documentation in there and find out exactly what ticket is affecting your license. And then you can bring it back in here and one of the attorneys can help you out. But without them knowing what ticket is affecting your license, then there's nothing they can do.
Okay, because she said it was to do with my insurance.
Yeah, I think it's this no proof of insurance, but this should not have been, I see the clearance was had on October 5th, 2022. And it shouldn't be affecting your license unless we need to send a note to the abstract clerk. Can we do that for her? This case, please, Miss, ready? S-108-12352. Let's see what this one says. This one should not be, this one's not affecting her license. That's not affecting her license. That one just seems like the only one that's affecting her license. All right, so send a note. All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus J. Lee. Case numbers SP 108-1235, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 108-12521, SP 127-1202, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 127-27341, SP 129-72661, SP 129-72671, SP 132-1174, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 132-12371, SP 134-2516, counts 1, 2. SP 137-9621, counts 1 and counts 2. Hearings for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lee. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Jade Lee.
All right, Ms. Lee, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. We're going to send a note to the abstract clerk about that, you paid the reinstatement fee. It does say that the clearance was there. We're going to send a note to the abstract clerk. Wait 48 to 72 hours. So by next Wednesday, go to the Secretary of State, see what they say. If they don't give you a license then you need to zoom back in and let one of the attorneys know exactly what they said. In the meantime, I'm going to set a trial date for March the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. for all of the matters. And then that'll give you some time to go back to that class and finish that class up as well. All right, Ms. Lee?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you understand what you're supposed to do, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, very well. Good luck to you. Have a great day. Come back on March the 3rd, 2023. If I don't see you before then, I'm going to suspect you got a valid driver's license, all right?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, ma'am.
You too, thank you.
When we get a chance, I'd like to speak to Mr. Rosenthal very briefly, okay?
All right, what about Mr. Gilliard? Is he ready to go?
You can, Judge, if we could send him the paperwork for appointment of counsel, I'm asking to be appointed on Mr. Gilliard.
You want to be appointed on him? All right, very well.
That's what I want to talk to Mr. Rosenthal about.
All right, very well. Let's get Mr. Gilliard. Let's call Judge Carter and see if we can get Mr. Walling appointed. Appointed counsel. Mr. Walling.
You want him to be appointed today, right?
Yes, let him be appointed today, or not necessarily today, just make sure he gets appointed. I need a number for Mr. Gilliard. Mr. Gilliard, can you give me a phone number, please?
Yes, it's 313-207-0151.
All right, I got that number. Let's call the cases. You'll take care of all the cases, won't you, Mr. Walling?
Yeah, I could do that, Judge.
And then, Your
Yeah.
Honor, if I may, I'm just bringing the officers out that I've spoke to. I told them to keep their devices on mute and make sure that they don't have them on. Is that okay with you, Your Honor?
That's fine.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was just making sure, as they come out, it just means that I've taken care of their cases and we do have some plea recommendations.
Could I have a moment with Mr. Rosenthal, Your Honor?
Yes, but let me just finish, Mr. Wallen, just give me a minute with two more officers, just so I have them.
All right.
You want it before we call?
I think that would be wise. I don't want to really blindside brother counsel.
All right, very well. All right, well, I think Lawrence, Lewis, Christopher Lewis, maybe we can, I don't know if he wants to try to get a license or just wants to get an offer, or if he wants to just set a trial date on the matters.
Let me see, Lewis.
It's the last on the first page, the second page.
Yeah, I would think an offer might be helpful. Once I'll ask Mr. Rosenthal when we're done talking to him.
This one, no insurance is messing with his license.
I'm sorry, Judge, just to give you a heads up, I am in anticipation of filing a motion regarding Gilliard. So you may want to think of some dates.
All right. So Mr. Lewis, where are you? Christopher Lewis, that is
right here
in the self-driving car. All right.
And I can go in with Mr. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I can go with Mr. Wallen, if you'd like, Your Honor.
All right, join the room, please. I see two insurance tickets that I can see are gonna affect your license moving forward. If I set aside the default, you can, not set aside the default, if I allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front, then you can go get a license, but you're still gonna have to come back to court and deal with these cases. Likelihood is that the city attorney is gonna give you a better offer with the driver's license than with not. You want some time to do that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's call Mr. Lewis's cases into the record. Mr. Berry, and then we will get him out of here, give him an opportunity to get a driver's license. But make sure you come back, because if you don't come back, then we're just going to suspend the license again. And you're going to be out some more money.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Arthur Lewis, case number SP 104-51153, SP 106-09791, excuse me, SP 136-0412, counts 1, 2, and 3. Nineteen 4954242. 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Christopher Arthur Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matters. Mr. Lewis, do you have an ink pen, sir?
Yes, sir. Down that door.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, SG 104 51153 and 19 495 4242. Both of those are worth $45 reinstatement fees. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay those reinstatement fees. You got a lot of other fees that are sitting here, and you're gonna have to eventually settle up with those too. And you're gonna have these open cases. But if you pay those $245 reinstatement fees, $90, don't drive down here. Get somebody, get your mom to take you down here or catch the bus and pay the $90. As soon as you pay the $90, you wait 48 to 72 hours and you'll potentially be able to get a license. I don't know what other kind of stuff you have in any other jurisdictions. Have you ever had a license before?
No, sir.
Oh, well, you got a little ways to go then. So I'm going to set this matter for trial date on March the 3rd. You get a permit, that's gonna be considered a valid license to me. It'll show up valid here. So I would get down there as soon as you can to the window and let them know that you're gonna pay the reinstatement fees up front on those 2 cases. We're gonna set a trial date on all the other cases that are open. And the trial date is going to be March 3rd, 2023. Hopefully by that time you can come in here with a valid driver's license, sir.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, be safe out there. Have a very good day. I'll see you back March 3rd, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, now I have the rest of the people in here besides Gilliard are all scheduled for trial, and I have all the officers that the window for the door for officers is closed now. So this is who we're going to be working with. So why don't you join that room too, Mr. Berry? And I don't know what you want to do. He hasn't taken these files to notate it. You want to talk to Mr. Walling again?
I don't, I need to speak with Rosenthal, but.
Yeah, Rosenthal.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait a minute. No, I'm sorry. I should have said there.
No, this was a smoothie I made this morning. It's just not detox water. It's actually been working. It's kind of bitter. want to buy a house. It's, It's kind of, a lot of work, but I did. You gotta give me the last name, forgot number.
Oh, we can get you.
I wanna call her, so I can, set some dates when it's snow break. I got a box on my tackle. That's probably why I need those rocks from. I'm filling in those rocks. Yeah, so funny.
Okay.
We can, I guess, would you anticipate hearing from Judge Carter today, or do you want to get Mr. Gilliard out of here? What is your pleasure, Judge?
Let's get him out of here. We'll hear from him the next time.
All right.
Give you 30 days to get back on. All right.
Yeah, I need my calendar, Judge, because this boy's taking a holiday. All right.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let me pull this up one more time. This is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Matthew Gilliard, case number SP 1226082, counts 1 and counts 2. I'll set aside the defaults on those. I'll also allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front on that SP 1226082 ticket, so he can potentially get a license. Also, SP 1303469, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 631763322. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Gilliard. Please state your name, sir.
Stefan Matthew Gilliard.
Now, just to let you know, Judge, my client tells me that at this time, he has a valid license. I don't know that you're setting aside any of the defaults is going to hurt him any, so I appreciate it.
Well, I would surmise, if I were a betting man, I would say he doesn't have a valid license.
Well, Your Honor,
He's Stephen Matthew Gilliard, 5'11", 88. But I've been wrong.
Your Honor, if I would ask the court, because it certainly would change the dimension of this matter, if he in fact does not have a driver's license at this time. Could I impose on Madam Clerk?
I've already done so.
Okay.
Mr. Gilliard, you have a blocking traffic ticket here that you never paid, $210. That's old due on. And I would win that bet.
Is it because of that blockading traffic, Your Honor?
Oh, it's because of this no proof of insurance.
Okay. Mr. Gilliard, my advice changes just a little bit. Within the next 14 days, can you pay that blockading traffic and the no proof of insurance?
Yes.
Could we please, well, one is already adjudicated. We'll plead.
What I'm doing, Mr. Walling, is I'm setting aside the default for both of those tickets. And I'm gonna allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up for the one ticket. And then that'll go a part of the deal. I'm not gonna dismiss anything right now.
Fine.
And that'll just.
Actually, I was gonna have him.
When he comes back.
Actually, Your Honor, for a no proof of insurance, I was gonna have him plead straight up. But I like your way better.
Yeah, that's kind of the, you plead to those no insurances, it's like a moving violation. And if his license is suspended, that will compound that suspension and give him more suspension. So it's almost like the worst thing down here.
Okay.
A no insurance civil infraction is. So, I set aside the defaults and you need to pay the reinstatement fee up front on that SP 122-60822 ticket. You have your calendar, for.
I do, Your Honor.
So are you good on the 27th of February?
My short answer is no, Your Honor. As I said, I'm going on a holiday. I really am not going to be back till the middle of March. But I do, before I leave on this matter, I will have filed a motion, which is why I'm, doing that. And then Mr. Rosenthal can answer it at his leisure.
When are you leaving?
I am leaving the 15th of February.
That's a little over less than 3 weeks from now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you back what day?
And I'm returning the 12th of March.
All right, so can you be here the 13th of March?
Perfect. I was just going to recommend that. We'll have this for a pre-trial, if I may, and
Yes.
motion hearing.
All right.
Now, I'm guessing Mr. Rosenthal theoretically is going to want to answer in writing. Since I have a written motion, I think he's probably got to do something similar. There is a very short window. I do come back for like a cup of coffee. Let's see what day is that? Now I'm all confused here. All confused.
Run Mr. Lane's license. Deontay.
The 28th. So can we have, if Mr. Rosenthal's okay with that, could we have his response due by the 28th of February?
Why don't you discuss that with him? I don't have a problem with that at all. Why don't you discuss that with him? We'll get you appointed. And you have Mr. Rosenthal's number. And, by the 13th, we'll just rule on the motion.
All right.
March. All right. Anything
Okay.
further?
I'm gonna need some information from Mr. Gilliard, Your Honor, if I could get put into a breakout room.
All right.
I didn't get it from him, but okay.
Join the breakout room. You're free to leave after that, Mr. Gilliard. Just make sure you're back on March the 13th, 2023. Join the breakout room. Speak with Mr. Walden, please.
Okay.
All right. I'm still waiting. What's the talk with Mr. Rosenthal? Do we have anything ready to go?
Yes, we do, Your Honor. If we could call Miss Lawrence, the Lawrence case, Pauletta Lawrence.
Did you know she has a lot of documents that she had? Did you know that before you entered into the discussion with her, Mr. Rosenthal? She has taken the class. She has insurance document that she provided the court, and she has a title, albeit it's not a registration, but if she has insurance, then I'll call that good.
As to the trial and formal hearings, Your Honor, there's no officer, and we'll seek dismissal of those charges.
At all? Okay. That'll work. That's even better. Well, for her it is. I mean, it'll go quicker for us. All right.
Could I have Mr. Gilliard too?
This Gilliard he's free to leave.
I need to talk to Mr. Gilliard, get his address.
He's supposed to join the breakout room.
Oh, I didn't get it.
It should still be up there, the same room you were in.
Okay. Room 3, Mr. Gilliard.
I didn't get the request.
Well, you gotta hit the more button or something down there. It's still up there, the same prompt. You hit the more button or something, Mr. Gilliard. All right, now, Miss Lawrence, did you get some more tickets in the time frame?
No.
I think we did.
Oh, I don't remember when. Oh, yes, I did. I was on Grand River. That was my last ticket. Oh, yeah.
This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Pauletta Michelle Lawrence, case numbers SP 1267026, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 126700471. SP 1377072, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1377073, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1398448, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1398464, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lawrence. State your full name, Ms. Lawrence.
Pauletta Michelle Lawrence.
Your Honor, with regard to all of the matters that are set for trial, the ones for arraignment, in that regard, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute. That's the matters ending in 047, counts 1 and 2. As to the remaining matters, there's
hold on a second. So, those all matters. So SP 1267026, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 126700471 are not on the docket for some reason, but in the system it has that the trial date is today, 1/27/2023. No, strike that. Strike that. Strike that. For that ticket, it says that the arraignment is today. Now, let's see. Those tickets were had on 10/21/2021, so that should have been set for trial today. Those tickets went along with these tickets, 10/21/2021. The civil infractions that are set for formal hearing today. So I'm gonna treat that one ticket I called one SP 126704771 as a trial date, as it should be. It was entered into the system wrong. Those other 3 civil infractions that went along with that ticket is set for formal hearing today. The officer should have gotten notice of that. So we're gonna treat those all as they're set for trial and formal hearing today. Everything else, now the ones that weren't set, I didn't call yet, and I was gonna do that separately. And we'll arrange her on those last 3 tickets separately, and we'll get another court date for that. So, as it relates to the cases that I called, go ahead.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness appearing.
Okay. And I'm gonna, okay, they are on the docket. They are on the docket. Everything is on the docket. All right, except for the 3. All right, they are on the docket. So I'm gonna, is there Officer Stevens, Officer James, Officer Mata, Courtier, I think, Stevens, James, Mata, Courtier. Hearing no response, I'm gonna grant that motion to dismiss no officer. I'll waive the warrant fee. There's no warrant fee and no reinstatement fee. So I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss no officer on those cases. As it relates to the city of Detroit versus Paulette Michelle Lawrence, case number SP 1408625 counts 1. Strike that. SP 1408625 counts 1, 2, and 3. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on those matters.
Well, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And you want to set these matters for trial as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on the 3rd of March for these last 3 tickets. Trial at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay.
You're all set, Ms. Lawrence?
All right, thank you so much.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right, come back
All
on
right,
March.
you too as well. I will. March 3rd, 9 o'clock.
Very well. Okay, who else? Mr. Walling, is Mr. Gilliard gone?
Yes, sir.
All right, who else are we
Till
waiting
March
on?
the 13th.
Yeah, March the 13th. Lane does have a valid driver's license. Surprising. Lane has a valid driver's license.
When?
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, Your Honor, may I meet with Ms. Little in a breakout room?
Yes.
And where is Lane?
Lane is here. He was here. Yeah, he's here.
When you say here, you mean there? All right, Deante, what time is he scheduled for?
He's scheduled for trial at 9, and we have the officers waiting. I think we have officers for Little and Lane. Join the breakout room, Mr. Berry and Miss Little. And Mr. Walling, you want to speak to Mr. Lane? I don't know if you've gotten an offer. That's all we need is he's got a valid license. I don't know if what else more you need. All right.
Well, you need count 1 to go away.
Let's count 1. Oh, the reckless.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
That was very short-lived. All right, let me talk to Mr. Lane.
All right, join the breakout room.
Okay.
I don't think the officer has showed up for that ticket.
Really?
Yeah. You might be lucky too. Has anybody showed up for Lane? I got Stevens, I got Castillo, McDougal. Yeah. Would you want to show up? Everybody's here on, okay. Richardson Goodman has not showed. I'll give them about 3 more minutes. And still for Goodman. And the rest of the officers are low. It's not sure.
Your Honor?
Yes.
If Officer Nathan Gayani, and I don't know who that is not here, we're
I
ready
don't
to,
think any of the officers show for Lane.
pardon me? None.
I don't think any of the officers show for Lane.
We're ready.
This is the city of Detroit versus Deontay William Lane. Case numbers. SP 1297897, counts 1, counts 2. SP 115669882. SP 115670001. SP 129799151. SP 1377973. And 207-03-4222. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Deontay Lane. State your name, please, Mr. Lane.
Deontay Lane.
We're ready to proceed to trial. There's no officer here. Move to dismiss.
Yeah, Officer Nathan Gianni has not appeared in the room. Officer McDougal, I have not still appeared in the room, and Officer Castillo has not appeared in the room. So I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss the officer. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lane, congratulations on you getting a driver's license and you got these tickets dismissed. All right, have a good day, sir.
All right, thank you, guys.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Very well. So only that we're here now is Yvette Little. And it
Ready, Your
appears
Honor.
it appears that it's only one officer on Little here as well.
No, Your Honor, we have a trooper here. We have two Detroit police officers as well.
Who do you have?
Yes, Your Honor. I have Trooper Belcher, I have Officer Taylor, and I have Officer Jenkins.
Okay, Taylor. Okay, very well. 3 officers. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Do we have, are we ready on Little?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Yvette Sierra Little, case number SP 1160855, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1168767, count 1. SP 1358659, count 1. SX 319127, counts 1 and counts, well, this just count 2. 19 459 4261, SP 1064882, count 1 and count 3. SP 1168755, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1360870, there's the SX 3191279, and 19 459 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 9, let me strike that, 19 5068031 and 19 459 4271. Appearances for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Little. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Yvette Little.
Your Honor, Ms. Little would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter plea to blockading, no proof of insurance, and last, a failure to secure a passenger.
And then, Your Honor, I can give you the ticket numbers for those amended counts.
About the no proof of insurance again, I know it's just it's going to cause if you're trying to help this young lady get a license, that no proof of insurance is not going to be conducive of that at all.
Well, it's the civil, Your Honor. It's not the misdemeanor.
Yeah, the civil is the one that's the worst one. And you've never had a license before, ma'am?
No, I have my license now.
You do have a valid license?
Yes.
Run her driver's license for us momentarily.
What's her name?
I'll leave that to Sierra Little. Oh. All right, let's do this. Let's start by Trooper Belcher, I think was the first. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Is Trooper Belcher here?
Yes, he is.
Good morning, Trooper. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. It's Trooper Belcher of the Michigan State Police.
All right. Badge number, please.
224.
Officer Taylor, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Taylor, Detroit Police, badge 3728.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Officer Jenkins, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Jenkins, Detroit Police Department, badge 1118.
All right, very well. Good morning to all three of you. Yeah, and I'm not going to interfere with the offer at all, Mr. Rosenthal. If that's what it is, that's what it is. Let's see if she has a valid license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, the license is valid. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. You can give me ticket numbers, Mr. Rosenthal.
Yes, Your Honor. It's gonna be on Trooper Belcher. It's gonna be ticket number SX 319-12792.
That's for the no proof of insurance civil infraction, correct?
Correct, Your Honor. Correct. And then one of Officer Jenkins' cases, Your Honor, that 19459-4261 right underneath, that'll be a dismissal per the plea of Officer Jenkins' other tickets, which the only ticket they'd be pleading to would be the failure to secure passenger, and that's going to be ticket 19459-4263. We'd be dismissing 6-2 and 6-1.
And then what is the other one that they're pleading to? The blocking traffic is which one are you?
Correct, Your Honor. That's going to be Officer Taylor's. That's going to be SP 116-87551. That'll be an amended to a blockading, and we're going to dismiss the insurance count on 5-2 per the plea.
Very well. Okay, Miss Little, I still have to let you know that potentially this no insurance could potentially cause some problems for you in your driver's license. But that is the offer, pleading to 3 civil infractions and dismissing the other cases. That's going to be $195. It's going to be $175 for the amended count of blocking traffic, and it's going to be $120 for the failure to secure a passenger. You have an absolute right to the trial, and that's today as a date and time set for the trial. And you can take the deal, or you can discuss it with your attorney. What would you like to do?
Take the deal.
Okay, very well. And we don't even have to swear her in on these. If the officers are and trooper are satisfied, you guys are free to leave. I just wish you the best of luck and be safe out there. Let's see for on behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And we'll go through each one of the tickets for the officers that did not appear. As for SP.
This is Officer Miss Caldwell.
Okay. They can be dismissed. All right, so SP 106-4882 counts 1 and counts 3. There's not an Officer Peacock here. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
Right. SP 110855 counts 1, 2, and 3. No, strike the first one. Who was the first one? That's Officer Vickers for that one. Same motion, no officer.
Yes.
I'll dismiss those cases. SP 116-8755 count 1 is the blocking traffic. I'm gonna accept your, I'm gonna amend that ticket to a blocking traffic, Miss Little. I'm gonna fine you $175 for the blocking traffic. And we'll dismiss count 2 of that ticket per the plea. For SP 1168 7671. That's Officer Taylor's ticket. Officer Taylor was here, but that case is, I believe, going to be dismissed per the plea.
Correct, Your Honor. SP 13586591. I have dismissed per plea. No, that's dismissed, no officer, correct? That's Officer Easelman's ticket. Officer Easelman has not appeared. SP 13608701. That's Officer Easelman as well. SX 3191279 counts 1 and counts 2. No insurance proof. I'm going to find you responsible for that as charged. That's $195 now. Dismiss count 1 ticket per plea. Um, 19459426 and 2 dismiss that's Jenkins tickets and 3. That's going to be a failure to secure passengers. It's going to be $120. And then 19506801 and 19459427. Both of those tickets will be dismissed. One will be dismissed, no officer. And the other one will be dismissed furtherly. Correct? Correct, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, 175, 195, $120. When can you pay?
I can start paying on some of them by like in 2 weeks.
When will you have it all paid off, ma'am?
I say, you want all 3 of them?
Mm-hmm.
I can pay them by the end of the month, or give me to the first of the by the end of February.
All right, I'm gonna give you till February 27th. All right.
Okay.
2023 to pay the tickets. If there's no further questions, if you need some more time, you're gonna need to zoom in. I don't want to see your license go back and get suspended again for these tickets. So if you need more time, then you need to zoom in, but please try to have those tickets paid, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right, Charles Goodman is here. That's Officer Hill and Officer
Richardson.
Richardson.
Yes,
Let's
Your Honor.
get the officers out of here. For Grant, I believe. Let's do this. This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Grant and AKA Andre Brand. It's got Brand here. I think that's just a typo. C5506801, SP 106-81811, SP 107-59692, SP 118-31851, SP 118-70742, SP 1245439, SP 126-30371, SP 129-50891, SP 129-7226, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1311280, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1343671, SP 1401038, counts 2, SP 140225561, SP 1132271, SP 1183181, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1180, strike that, SP 118774, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1245439, SP 126034, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1297227, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1343688, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1343721, SP 1401147, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1297226. 3, SP 140225562. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Goodman. State your full name, Mr. Goodman.
Oh, strike that as Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, Andre Grant.
Andre Grant. Yes. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Andre Grant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
I don't believe we did have that defendant check in, Your Honor, Mr. Grant. However, no, you're good, Mr. Berry. We do have Officer Munoz, Officer Borsch, and Officer Gozik here on Grant.
Where's Grant's file? Grant.
You said Grant?
Yeah, Grant, Andre Grant. That's what you gave me on the file. Oh, here it is. Okay. Who's on the iPhone that just called in? Unmute yourself, please.
Possibly me.
What's your
Yes,
name?
what's your name?
Eric, ERIC, Gray, GRAY.
Hold on a second. Okay, go ahead, officers. You can start with Officer Munoz.
Yes, Officer Munoz, can you please state your name and badge number for the record, ma'am?
Munoz 4358.
Department.
Police, Detroit Police.
Who else is on here on Grant?
We have Officer Borsch as well. Officer Borsch, can you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boris, badge 2102.
And we also have Officer Gozik, Your Honor, and that's all the officers we have for Grant.
Officer Gozick, badge number 3439.
All right, very well. Mr. Goodman and Grant did not show, so we're gonna put a failure to appear bench warrant out. $0 bond. Thank you, officers. If there's nothing further.
Goodman here. I'm sorry, Goodman is here.
No, not you, Goodman. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Sorry about that. My bad. Back to you.
Nothing further, officers. Be safe out there and have a very good day. All right.
Thank you. You do the same.
All right.
Thank you, officers. Stay safe.
All right, thank you. You do the same.
Goodman, do we have an offer for Goodman?
Yes, Your Honor, we have 2 officers here, for Goodman. On Mr. Goodman, it looks like we have Officer Hill here. Officer Hill, and I'd like to annotate, this is on the docket twice, is here for SP 128-35691. No operator's license on person. Mr. Goodman, do you have a license, sir?
No, I do not.
Thank you. And then we also have Officer Richardson, Your Honor, as well. The offer for Mr. Goodman on Officer Hill's ticket would be a fail to display. And then Officer Richardson will just be 1 improper plates, and we'll dismiss the remainder, Your Honor.
Wait, all right. Let's call the cases. Well, you want to speak to, we'll let you speak. Let's call the cases into the record. Hill is a fail to display. All right. So let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit. Charles Goodman, case number SP 128-4969, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 128-65312. And it should be the counts, and then SP 1305723, counts 1, 2, and 3. All right, and then let's SP 133-98121. SP 133-9812, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 134-9573. One. SX 3685297, counts 1 and counts 2. And count 3. 17 327-245-1. SP 128-356-9. 1. That's the one that's listed twice there.
That is correct, Your Honor. That is listed twice, 1 for trial, 1 for formal hearing, but they have the same case number.
SP 128-496. 9-3. SP 128-653.
Please be still and quiet, Mr. Goodman.
Excuse me.
Please be quiet.
And can you stop walking around, sir?
I apologize. I was trying to be.
SP 1286531. Counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1349567. Counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1283569. Counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people. Officer Richardson, can you state your name and badge number for the record?
I believe Mr. Barry was on this.
Officer Richardson, badge number 4009, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you, sir. And then Officer Hill, can you please state your name and badge number as well, please?
Police Officer William Hill, badge 3756, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you.
O.S. Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Goodman. State your full name, Mr. Goodman.
Charles Kevin Goodman, Sr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let me say this, Mr. Rosenthal, Mr. Goodman just keeps racking up tickets. He has 4 other tickets, 4 other tickets. I don't know if he wants to encompass all of these up in one deal or not. But he has another hearing date he has another arraignment date on April the 27th, 2023. So right now, the offer is going to be to 1 count of failure to display, $240. That's going to likely generate another at least another 30-day suspension. And 1 count of plates. That's an amended count of improper plates for that no insurance. That's going to generate another. That's going to not abstract to the Secretary of State. I will dismiss that upon payment of $240. And then Mr. Rosenthal, he has cases that are coming up. Driving while license revoked, unregistered untitled, no proof of insurance, civil infraction, and a failure to secure passenger.
If they plead on the no proof of insurance, Your Honor, I'll dismiss the remainder.
All right. If you plead to that, sir, then you're definitely going to have a 2-year additional suspension with these pleas that failure to display. So I'll let you talk it over with your lawyer if you want to. That's the offer.
I mean, I can't dispute it. I was just living in my car. So, I mean, I understand whatever, got to accept whatever it is that I got coming to me.
What other civil infractions, Your Honor, is there on those tickets?
It's a failure to secure passenger, unregistered, untitled, and a driver license revoked.
We can do a plea to the failure to secure passenger if they're pleading to the other counts as well.
All right, that's going to be $120 fine, and the rest of the other 3 tickets will be dismissed. And along with the dismissals, allow the rest of it up. Now, what did you say? Were you homeless at the time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. I was living in my car.
Have you gotten your housing situation straight now, sir?
Yeah, yes.
All right.
Kind of.
All right, Mr. Congratulations on that, sir. Mr. Barry, what do you want to do? You need to speak with the lawyer.
It would appear is prepared to take the offers. Am I correct in that, Mr. Goodman?
Well, I'm
Wait,
prepared
wait,
to accept my.
let's talk. I'm sorry, Your Honor. We have a breakout room.
And that insurance civil, I'm dismissing and replaced for the fail to secure. He's not going to be pleading to that civil responsible, just the failure to secure on the open cases that are set for a different date.
Okay. And improper plates and failure to display. Okay, let's
Yes,
have a
sir.
breakout.
Join the room, Mr. Goodman. Okay, officers, if there's nothing further, you all are free to leave. I think this is gonna resolve itself here.
Thank you, Officer Richardson and Officer Hill. Stay safe.
Thank you all. Take care.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
This gentleman that's on the phone, what is your name, please?
That's Eric Gray, Your Honor. He's scheduled for an arraignment today.
All right, Eric Gray.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eric Daniel Gray, case number U889591112. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Eric Gray, who needs to take his hat off. Thank you. State your
Sorry.
name again, Mr. Gray.
Eric Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment in the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, I'd ask the court to set aside any bench warrants at this time. How old are you, Mr. Gray?
37.
Okay, what do you think about a delayed sentence on that? So that
Well, let me stop you, Mr. Walling. This matter has been adjudicated years ago.
Oh, it has.
Yes, and he has never satisfied his obligation with the court.
Oh, well, that's a horse of a different color.
Yeah, it was from 2012. I'm just trying to get everything straightened out. I didn't even know I still had it. I was going through an expungement and it came up. I still had a Detroit thing.
Well,
What is
pay
your
it, sir,
Your Honor?
and I'll pay it, sir, and I'll dismiss the case.
That works for me.
All right, when can you pay?
By next week.
All right, you're gonna have it next week when?
By next Friday.
You want to come back in Friday and we'll dismiss the case. If it's paid, you can pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told that you can upload that DivDad app to your phone.
Okay, I'll try to do that today.
Perfect.
I got down here. I will dismiss if it's paid. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
You're free to leave, sir. Okay, we're back on the record for Mr. Charles Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Goodman very much wants to clear all of these matters up and would like therefore to avail himself of the offer. And I'd ask this court to consider, please, giving him community service to resolve the sanctions.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Goodman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you go over his advice and rights with him, Mr.?
I must confess I did not, Your Honor. We were discussing his situation.
All right, can you go over his advice and rights, please? I'm gonna finish
course.
filling out this paperwork. Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Goodman, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Try to hit that button again, more button or something that will pop up that breakout room that you were already in.
Hello? Hello?
You gotta go back in that breakout room, sir. He's in there now, I think. Yeah, he's in there, Mr. Berry.
Madam Clerk?
All right, Madam Clerk.
Yes.
When you get a hot second, can you send me some information on Mr. Gilliard, like a copy of the ticket and or whatever you got, I'll look at, please?
Mr. Gilliard, Judge.
Stefan Gilliard, just the OTE, just the U ticket.
Just the U ticket.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't
All
need
right.
that other stuff. It's not what I'm about.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Charles Kevin Goodman. Now, Mr. Goodman, is my understanding you want to resolve these matters based on that plea, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or 5,000 fines?
Yes.
All right, and the attorney in the breakout room went over your advice or rights with you. Did he not?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
And you have any questions about those rights?
No.
All right. And you understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me draw your attention back to December the 1st, 2021 at around 1:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Aston and Constance, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a 2004 GMC?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display operator's license. Let me draw your attention back to February 1st, 2022 at around 1:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Murray Hill and Corita. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a 2004 GMC?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Okay, as it relates to that, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates once you satisfy the agreement on that. We'll dismiss that case. As for the civil infraction, counselor, will you on behalf of your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for their responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged to SP 142-30651. Let's discuss the other tickets. SP, will you stipulate the probable cause for the agreements that you entered into on the other tickets, Smith?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
So we're going to dismiss SP 1283569 counts 2 and counts 3. We'll dismiss SP 1305723 counts 1 and counts 2. We'll dismiss SP 1423063 counts 1, 2, and 3. We'll dismiss all of those tickets per the plea. As for SP 1284969 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1286531 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1339812 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1349567 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1349571. SX 368527. SX 3685297 counts 1, 2, and 3. And 17-327-2451. There's no officer signed in for those tickets. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. No complaining witness.
All right, I'm going to grant that motion to those motions to dismiss for no complaining witness. As for the sentencing in this matter, I did hear Mr. Goodman indicate that at the time he got these tickets, he was without a home. And I think you wanted to allow Mr. Goodman, ask the court to allow Mr. Goodman to some sort of community service. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. There's going to be 24 plus 12. No, plus 12. 30 hours of community service, Mr. Goodman will clear it all up.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank
you. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, I need you to contact Miss Green. Miss Green at 313-965-8130. 313-965-8130 is Miss Green's number. And I'm gonna set a review. How long do you think it'll take you to do this, sir?
I'm not sure, but I can get it done.
Since you're still getting back on your feet, I'm gonna give you 60 days. All right, you should be completed well within that time. I'm gonna set a review date for March the 27th, 2023 at 8:20. Make sure that the hours that you complete get to Mrs. Green so she can get you on the docket, and she can have that stuff. I can have it, and we can expedite things. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a great day, and take care. See you back March the 27th, 2023.
Thank you.